It's Noelle from the Center for Real Estate Education, and we are so happy that you've chosen us to start your journey on your new real estate career. Now, there are a few things that I wanted to talk to you guys about before you get started. One is, what is rolling admission? So, it doesn't matter where you start. Each day are different chapters, and those chapters are taught independently of each other. So if you're starting on chapter 12, it's okay. You'll do 12 through 21, and then you'll wrap it back around and do 1 through 11. Here's the secret. You don't even have to take them in order. You could do 12 one day, 1 and 2 the next, 5 the next. All you have to do is make sure that you're keeping track of what chapters you've taken. I'll keep track of all of your time. So, even if you take all of the different chapters during the daytime and then maybe go to an evening class and then maybe go to a weekend class, it's okay. As long as you've gotten all of your chapters in, you will have all of your qualifying time.